So the Fast Track to IT is the course that I developed. It's going to help you get skilled in IT over a college degree. And that's why I keep touting this and explaining to you that this is going to teach you how to earn $40,000 to $50,000 a year as an IT professional. Now, am I going to give you a certification in which you can take? No, I'm not. I'm not a certification vendor. What I am essentially, I'm your guide. I'm someone who's been in the IT field for over 20 years. I have seen it all. At this particular level right now, you would call me an IT executive. That's what I am. I pretty much understand programming, development, system engineering, infrastructure engineering, Amazon Web Services, Citrix, Microsoft. I mean, if you name it, I've touched it. I've done projects with it. I have navigated through 20 plus organizations, Fortune 500 companies, Fortune 100 companies. I've consulted some of the biggest companies, and I've managed some of the biggest projects that if I name names, you would know them, right? These are household names and projects that I've delivered and managed myself. So what I'm doing is I'm giving you specific direction. It doesn't matter whether you're experienced or non-experienced, whether you're technical or non-technical. What I'm here to do is I'm here to get you skilled in IT over a college degree. So what you're going to learn in this course is going to equip you and help you carve out a path for your IT journey. Now, some of you don't even know, like, how would I go about doing that? Well, that's where I come in. I can show you how to do that. Why? Because I'm self-taught, right? I I didn't uh, I didn't have a college degree up until like my 13th year of being in this field. So once you get certified, you'll be equipped to compete for jobs making 40 to 50 a year. Now, how do I know that? Because I did it. When I left the military, like I said, I haven't made less than $55,000 a year. It's interesting. I was going through blogs and just reading different blogs, Andre, and
Hmm.
there's a lot of people out there that are really hurting. Like they're stuck in jobs and making a lot less money than their skill set or potential is worth. And it kind of just made heart wrench and made me more encouraged to write this course because my information, like you had said when we were in Dallas, you said that information is just sitting in your head, Chris. All you have to do is get it out. My job is get it out to hand it to these people who need it. And that's
Hmm.
essentially what I said. What I said, hey, that's really important because after reading this, I realized that there's a demand for this information, and this can really revolutionize somebody's life. You know.
Yeah.